Hello, today we're going to go over the formula for how you square a trinomial, both how to do it and why the formula works. Let's go. Okay, so trinomial, 1, 2, 3 terms, square multiplied by itself. So a plus b plus c times a plus b plus c. So when we had a binomial, we did this by taking each term and multiplying it into all the terms in the second parentheses. We're going to do that here, only we're going to do it 3 times. So here we go. So when I take my first term a and I multiply it into each of these terms here, I get a squared plus ab plus ac, right? Okay, now I'm going to do that same thing with my b. So plus ba plus b squared plus bc. Now, ba and AB, are those different things? Nope, those are the same things because multiplication is commutative. You can switch the order. So I'm going to actually do that now for clarity's sake. And now I'll do the final one with my C's. So plus CA plus CB plus C squared. So again, CA and AC, those are the same, so I'm going to write them in that direction. And same thing, CB and BC, those are the same, so I'm going to write them in the same direction. And now, AB plus AB, that's 2 ABs. AC and AC, that's 2 ACs. BC plus BC, that's 2 BCs. And scratching out everything that we've already put down here, I'm left with an A squared plus B squared plus C squared. And that right here is our formula for how to square a trinomial. A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. Let's use this formula now to more quickly square another trinomial. So let's say the trinomial we have to square is 2x minus 4y plus 7. And I don't want to have to do out every one of those steps and combine like terms. I'm going to jump straight to this formula and go, okay, my a is 2x. 2x squared, that's 4x squared. Minus 4y squared, that's positive 16y squared. And 7 squared, that's 49, plus 2 times 2x times minus 4y, that's minus 16xy, 2 times 2x times 7, that's plus 28x, plus 2 times minus 4y times 7, that's minus 56y. And that is the squaring of this trinomial without having to do out all the terms and combine like terms. Okay, there you go. Leave any questions you have in the comments. Consider subscribing to my channel so you know when I put out a new video. And as always, keep on mathing.